Hi there, and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. In today's episode, we will create this beautiful design. So let's get started. So first, we'll start with mood boarding. Now, what is a mood board? A mood board is basically a collage of images, colors, textures that sets the visual tone for the project. It's basically a way to communicate the style, the inspiration before starting the actual design. Now I am scrolling through images and typography to find the ones that match our brand's mood. Now let's talk about our brand Lunaria. So Lunaria is an organic skincare brand offering eco-friendly and cruelty-free products made from natural ingredients. They focus on nourishing the skin while being kind to the environment. We will place all the images from pin board to our illustrator board. Now we'll clip mask it by placing the image at the back. Oops, okay. We'll place the image at the back of this boxes and select the two, right click and create mask. I will fast forward the video and will place the rest of the images. Now our mood board is done. It's time for a font selection. We will explore a range of fonts that best align our brand's vibe. So I will go with a bold option because it can give Lunaria a strong and distinctive look after few tweaks. Make sure you keep a copy of the font that you are using. First, I'll create a secondary logo, and for that, I will take this Ria part and place it under Luna. And then after that, with the help of pencil tool and the smooth tool, I will use the part of R to create the dot of I, if that makes any sense. Perfect. Now for the primary logo, I will take Ria back to its original position and will complete the N. Make sure it's perfectly aligned as well. So I find this logo much more attractive than the other. So we'll just delete the other one. Now I have selected these colors from my mood board directly that perfectly align with Lunaria's brand identity, and it will help me create a cohesive look, simple and to the point. Okay, what I generally do, I place my logo on different background colors just to have a clear look that which color palette works best for this brand. And here you go, our Lunaria brand is all set and ready to shine. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.